Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books.
Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are on an epic adventure exploring Grishneshwar Jyotirlinga and Ellora Caves in Maharashtra. And guess what? This place isn't just a picture. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site packed with three major religious sites: Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Let's dive in. The Ellora Caves are located in the scenic Sahyadri mountain range, about 30 km from Aurangabad. Now it is called Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. These caves carved into volcanic basalt rock millions of years ago. The Ellora Caves comprise more than 100 ancient caves, of which 34 are currently accessible to visitors. Some of these caves are especially notable, which is Kailasa Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, which is a pride of Ellora Caves. This can be seen in 20 rupees note. And another one is the structure of Gautama Buddha, and it is believed that bones of Gautama Buddha placed at the top of the structure. The Ellora Caves are open every day except Tuesday from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. My advice: arrive early, around 7 a.m., to beat the heat and avoid the crowds. The entry fee is 40 rupees per person. Make sure to collect the coin and keep it safe, as you will need to drop it off when you exit. Get a book that highlights the significance of each structure at Ellora Caves, which will make your visit even more interesting instead of taking a guide. The structure here was sadly damaged by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Despite this, the caves still stand strong, proudly displaying the incredible craftsmanship, architecture, and carvings that embody the unity of Jainism, Buddhism, and Hinduism. Because of their rich historical and spiritual importance, the Ellora Caves have earned their place as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cave number 1 to 12 are dedicated to Buddhism, 13 to 29 are Hindu, and 30 to 34 are dedicated to Jainism. Now I will take you to the important caves. Cave number 1, which features intricate craftsmanship and rooms where Buddhist monks once resided. Cave 2 is often called the Viharas, a monastery featuring many small cells for monks to meditate and live. Cave 3 contains a stunning sculpture of Buddha sitting in a meditative pose, along with impressive artwork on the walls. Cave 5 stands out with large hall and parallel stone platforms, which were used by Buddhist monks for meals. As we move on to cave 6 to 10, we see more intricate depictions of Buddhist teachings with remarkable murals and sculptures that portray the life of Buddha and scenes from the Buddhist sculptures. Cave 10 is a home to hanging statue of Buddha in meditative postures. The entrance to this cave, inspired by the peepal tree under which Lord Buddha attained enlightenment, in another unique feature. Moving on, we arrive at Cave 11, which was carved from a single massive mountain and spans 3 floors. Cave 12 closely resembles Cave 11. Cave 12 offers a view of 5 statues of Lord Buddha, all in different poses, along with the sculptures of bodhisattvas, apsaras, and fairies. Next, let's explore the Hindu caves. These 3 caves were carved between 6th and 19th centuries and were dedicated to various Hindu deities and legends. The most famous of these is Cave 16, the Kailasa Temple, which is over 1200 years old. This architectural marvel features 2 elephants at its entrance, symbolizing their role in offering water to goddess Lakshmi.
Unlike most temples, which are built from the foundation up, the Kailasa Temple was carved from the top, making it the world's largest monolithic temple inspired by Lord Shiva's Kailasa mountain. Inside the temple, detailed sculptures from Mahabharata and Ramayana adorn the walls. Before entering the Garbhagudi, visitors pass through a large Sabha Mantapa, where Shiva Tandava dances were once performed. Cave 17 is another notable site. It's again dedicated to Lord Shiva and features an impressive array of carvings. Cave 21, known as the Dashavatara Cave, is famous for its detailed carvings that represent the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Finally, the caves 30 to 34 are dedicated to Jainism, with cave 32 being particularly notable. This cave features a stunning statue of an integrated elephant in the courtyard and statue of Lord Mahavir. This cave spread over 2 floors, and in its Garbhagriha, Lord Mahavir is depicted in a meditative posture. After visiting Ellora Caves, we went to Grishneshwar Jyotirlinga, which is about 3 km away. Unfortunately, mobile phones are not allowed inside the temple. This temple has beautiful sculptures and intricate designs on its walls, both inside and outside. You can enter the Garbhagriha, touch the linga, and perform various pujas. According to the legend, there was a couple, Sudeha and Sudharma, who were unable to have a child. Sudeha asked Sudharma to marry her younger sister, Kushma. After marrying Kushma, they were blessed with a kid. Kushma was a devoted Shiva worshipper, performing daily prayers. While they lived happily, Sudeha became jealous and out of greed killed Kushma's son. Kushma made a Shivalinga and prayed. For her devotion, Shiva returned her child. It is believed that Shivalinga here is very powerful and devotees can fulfill their wishes if they pray with a pure heart. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun and adventurous videos. Catch you in the next one. where we will be exploring Aunda Naganath Jyotirlinga and Parli Vaidyanath. Stay tuned.